Chennai में deaths due to viral hepatitis, which causes inflammation and damage to the liver, surpassed AIDS, tuberculosis and malaria nearly 10 years ago. Yet India जो है contribute करती है significantly to the global burden as far as from World Health Organization's goal of eliminating hepatitis as a public health threat by 2030. On Friday, experts जो थे दुनिया भर के उन्होंने gather किया सिटी में for the Indian Hepatitis Summit called for vaccination, early diagnosis और इसका treatment in India. Inflammation caused by hepatitis occur होता है when liver cells become injured or infected. Several different viruses can cause hepatitis, including hepatitis A, B, C, D and E. ये viruses जो है can lead to both short-term यानी कि acute and long-term chronic diseases including liver cirrhosis and cancer. WHO report from 187 countries ने show किया है estimated number of deaths from viral hepatitis increased from 1.1 million in 2019 to 1.3 million in 2022. Of these, 83% जो थे वो by hepatitis B and 17% by hepatitis C. दोनों preventable है, said WHO representative to India जिनका नाम है Dr. Rodrigo H. Offren. Every day 3,500 people जो हैं उनकी death होती है globally due to hepatitis B and C. India must start with an estimation exercise. We must have numbers to know the real burden. ये कहना था उनका at the summit organized by Chennai Liver Foundation with World Hepatitis Alliance. At least 11% of the world's burden of hepatitis B and C इंडिया से आता है. While hepatitis B जो है इसका safe और effective vaccine है, लेकिन there is none for hepatitis C, which however can be effectively treated with direct acting antivirals. Over the next 2 days, scientists जो हैं वो deliberately work कर रहे हैं on newer vaccines ताकि ज़्यादा effective drugs पैदा हों. At the start of the COVID pandemic, we didn't know much about the virus. हमें ये भी नहीं पता था कि इस वायरस का वैक्सीन है कि ड्रग है. Several stakeholders एक साथ मिलजुल के काम करके उन्होंने ये पता किया और फिर they called for action. यह है WHO Chief Scientist सौम्या स्वामीनाथन का कहना, who is now chairs to the MS Swaminathan Research Foundation. क्या कहना आपका इसके बारे में हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताएं.